Hi guys, Cecilia, Zawi TV, driving along Harare Drive. We have on the right we have Mandara, did you say? And then on the left, Chisipiti. These are old but very, very beautiful neighbors. Look at that. Look at the greenery. You know, the road is good. I think that's a school over there, but I have no name for it. Okay, so you heard him, guys. He said Kona Nyamapanda and Harare Drive. So are we turning right or are we going straight?
Right.
Turning right. Right?
Yeah, turning right.
Okay, so our right here is left. Turning right on left. Yeah.
Complex.
What's the name of this complex? I see electro cells there, but it's, I'm sure the new is still under construction, the new complex. I'm sure the name would be, it's gonna be Cardinal's Corner. Cardinal's Corner. Now Nyamapanda Road. We're trying to get to Winsdale. Guys, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Winsdale. Oh, guys, we said turning right on Nyamapanda Road. No, it's actually Enterprise Road. Some people call it Mutoko Road. Nyamapanda would be correct in the sense that I think you can drive to Nyamapanda along this road. You can get to Nyamapanda. Is Nyamapanda a border post, I think?
Yes,
in Mozambique, right? Yeah, so it's called Mutoko Road. It's Enterprise. And so this is where we are now. So yeah, we are still, it's still also called Idi Mnangagwa. That's the most current name, Idi Mnangagwa Road. And then I understand after Gletwin, it becomes Nyamapanda Road. But it's the old Mutoko Road after Gletwin, right guys? For those that are old school like me. A lot of construction, guys. I'm not sure what that is. There's a cluster area on the right side here. Nice homes. So still driving, guys, trying to get to Winsdale to show you properties in Winsdale. See those beautiful houses up there? Beautiful scenery, guys. A new gas station under construction here. Now we are turning into, look at the beauty as we turn. Look at the old mature trees, guys. This is beautiful. Winding roads in this beautiful neighborhood. Look at that, guys. Nice views. It's hard to see the houses here because the walls are very high, but beautiful views. This is Winsdale. Beautiful views, guys, in Winsdale. Hard sometimes to see the houses, I admit. Winsdale, guys.